Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make chive oil. So this is a super easy infused oil that you can put on a lot of stuff. It's just 2 cups of a neutral oil. I'm using vegetable oil. You can use avocado oil. Excuse me. You can use avocado oil. I wouldn't use like an olive oil. I wouldn't use something like that. But a vegetable oil works just fine. And then I put in 3 really small bunches of chives. If your grocery store does like actual bunches of chives, it would probably be like 1. But chives have a really good oniony flavor. And I don't know, chives are kind of their own thing. So if you can't find chives, I think maybe a green onion would work, but I'm not really sure. Anyways, so 2 cups of oil, 3 small bunches or 1 large bunch. Blend it. And then I couldn't find my strainer, but I did have a spice bag, and so that worked out okay. But you just want to strain it to make sure that you get any like large chive particles that might be left over in there. And then you want to heat it up really on a low heat for just a minute. Just enough, it'll kind of clear up. And that's how you know it's done. That's all it really is. And it's beautiful. You can put it on sandwiches, salads, soups. It would be great on a potato soup. You could drizzle it on top of a cooked meal, and it's a perfect gift. You could just put it in a bottle and give it to somebody, and it'll keep for a while. So if you want to see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.